making a creamy and decadent dessert. Keto Vietnamese Crème Caramel. Perfectly silky custard with a rich caramel sauce, all low-carb and keto-friendly. This recipe makes 6 delicious servings, with each serving containing just 2.31 grams of net carbs. Perfect for your low-carb lifestyle. Here's what you'll need to make this silky, keto-friendly dessert. Let's start with the caramel. In a saucepan, combine 40 grams of allulose, 20 grams of powdered erythritol, and 30 milliliters of water. Heat this over medium heat, stirring gently until dissolved. Then let it cook without stirring until it turns a deep amber color. Remember, allulose caramelizes faster than sugar, so watch carefully. Quickly pour the caramel into the bottoms of your ramekins, swirling to coat the base evenly. Set them aside to cool. Whoa, look how beautiful the color of the caramel is. Next, let's make the custard. In a mixing bowl, combine 5 whole eggs, 1 egg yolk, grams of powdered erythritol, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir gently in one direction until smooth. Avoid creating foam. Now, heat 250 milliliters each of half and half and unsweetened almond milk until warm, but not boiling. Slowly pour the warm milk mixture into the eggs, stirring constantly to prevent the eggs from cooking. For a silky texture, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve. Pour the custard evenly into your ramekins, right over the caramel layer. Place the ramekins in a deep baking pan and add hot water until it reaches 2/3 up the sides of the ramekins. This water bath ensures gentle, even cooking. Bake in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes. Check with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, the custard is ready. Let the flan cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 3 hours or overnight for the best texture. Gently run a knife around the edge and invert the flan onto a plate. Watch as the caramel sauce flows beautifully over the custard. There you have it, Keto Vietnamese Crème Caramel. Indulgent, elegant, and perfect for your keto lifestyle. Enjoy! Look how smooth and silky this is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more keto-friendly dishes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.